My hair grown out, but I'm still the same kid. I got some buzz, but I still push the same whip. I got my team, yeah, I'm still with the same kids. Passing women around, never fuck the same bitch. Twice when you see me, best salute me like a captain. Sipping on some Pinot in the koozie when I'm rapping. Pussy on my lap, watching movies, I'm relaxing. We smoking and I fuck her, then usually I'm napping. Whoa, I'm that lazy when I'm high, chilling like a fan. I'm mad crazy when I ride, feeling like the man. People hate me when I ride, still I'm in demand. Don't ask about my next move, kill it is the plan. Ride around the city, sitting pretty with a biddy, and you double back quickly when you see the big cities. Looking at a chest to take away your breath. So when you see your breast, just know that we the best. Easy. Riding through LA, they say. Riding through NY, they say. Riding through DC, they say. I say, they say. Riding through Atlanta, they say. Riding through Shot City, they say. Everywhere I go, man, they say.